Good morning. It's Saturday after the rainstorm. It got pretty good over here. Pretty good and wet. So I am currently in process of getting all my stuff gathered up to get the hell out of Dodge before I get stuck permanently here for at least a week. And I get to run equipment.
Look at how I'm living. Just look at how I'm living. I'm taking what I'm giving.
Well, I guess you can guess where I'm at. I am cleaning up the road in so that I can actually get it straightened out over there. But I have a lot of mess to clean up. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit of video right now. And yeah, because I'm gonna have him come in here and smooth this road out. It's obnoxious. Or maybe I'll do it. I don't know. We'll see.
slopes and where it all the kids and locks the gates, all the lines are drawn and clear, all who are warm, wayward and torn, you're welcome We live in fall and blowing ground. We are the listen more than sound. We have no home. You're not alone. You're welcome this road 1,000 times. We know exactly where it ends.
Well, we're making a little bit of progress. It looks cleaner already. I mean, a few minutes of work makes it look nice. I gotta do this side too, all the way down. That's what happens when you get a messy crew. Anyways, I'm gonna shut this thing off and I'm gonna work right now. Catch you in a little bit once it's done. Hopefully it's not too dark because our sun is going down right now. Well, it's dark and you can't see the road or much of anything out there really. Might be able to see the excavator right there. But here's all the stuff I've got to unload from the back of the truck. Really, you can't see it really. There's some logs. We got logs and we got rocks for our fire ring. I'm gonna start to get those unloaded right now, and we're gonna make a pile. That's what I'm gonna do. And it's too dark to record, so it is for the night. We'll catch you in a little bit. Good morning from Wilde and Free 2.0. It's 2.0. I woke up this morning. It's a nice brisk 60 something, so that's nice. It wasn't 30 degrees yet. I've got to burn this stuff, but I think there's a burn ban maybe. I got to check. Anyway, we're going to take a quick little walk right down the road that I was clearing last night. I got a lot accomplished, enough to get my road shifted so that I can get smoothed out. This lower side down here is going to be where the power crossing goes through. So I've got to clear out a bunch of that as well. I got to get the measuring stick out, take a few more trees down, and get that done so that I can get power brought in here at least first, so I can have that. My solar is going to take a while. I got to build that solar tracker. But as we're walking, you can see how clear, if I don't trip, that I've got it done. I've got a lot of it cleared out. Still a bunch. A lot of trees, nothing but trees. Here we go. Got it cleared. Got it nice. Got a lot more to do. I still have a bunch up here at the front. This stuff I'll just start bucking up with the chainsaw. And if anybody needs some pine, let me know, because I've got way more than I can ever use without getting a full-time job on my mill, which is going to happen. But I got to clean up a bunch of this too. I got to widen this out. That way the water can flow back down that way like it's supposed to, not with all these pushed up berms. So I got a bunch of work to do. And guess what else? I got the logs all offloaded, and I'll probably start stacking some of this pine, maybe some of the smaller chunks or something, 'cause I'll be burning for years. I'm gonna try to get a chipper to come out maybe and give me a price. We'll see how much that is just to clean up this part of the road. That way the road looks nice. And that's a big stump I gotta dig out. Can't really see it now, but I've got this all done. Here you go. Unloaded the rocks, fire pit to build. I got those logs. I need to get a lot more. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it right here or where I'm gonna actually do the fire pit, because getting this beast in and out would require me to pull forward. I might be able to get it into this area right here, or I might just put it back over here in this corner, probably right here somewhere, probably right where the rocks are, because they're heavy. I'll let the girls figure that part out after I give them my notation of we still have to move this thing out of here eventually, or someone has to be able to come back and back in. I'm gonna try to get some more dirt filled in right here on this side. That way I can have one more RV spot over here. I'm gonna have to get a little loader or something and bring dirt over here, because there's not really anywhere else to push from right now. Sort of shrinking my road down, but I will be pushing a lot of this down right back over here. That the road's going to go down, so it's going to be down in that little valley down there, which will lead to the pond, and then another drive route up to the house. We'll see how that works out, because I got to do that for the power's running straight through right here too, so I got to get all that cleared out. Oh man, a lot of work. All right, off work, back at it again. The one thing that sucks about running an excavator, filling it up. When it starts yelling at you, feed me, feed me. I can't believe it's still, but they really have that on there that says, feed me, go ahead and feed me. So I lubed it, I fed it, I'm feeding it. I'm gonna get back on this right back there. I gotta move these right behind me over some more. That way I can come in and clip this corner out. That way my power doesn't have to go that much farther. Yeah, fun and exciting. Let's go at it. Good morning from Wilde and Free, where you can think it, you can dream it, you can build it. I got woke up to this sound you can hear in the background humming away. We've got dozer action on the main road coming in to smooth it out so I can get some rock down. Fun note for the day. I'm trapped. I can't get out. Too much mud. My truck will just slide and get stuck, and then I'll be screwed. So, I'm gonna be sitting here on the property in the trailer for I don't know how long. I mean, I've got food, I've got water, got rainwater. This is what it looks like. See how long I'm trapped here for. It's supposed to rain till Monday. Good morning. It's Saturday after the rainstorm. It got pretty good over here. Pretty good and wet. So I am currently in process of getting all my stuff gathered up to get the hell out of Dodge before I get stuck permanently here for at least a week. Granted, I have supplies enough for more than that, but my internet has been having some issues, so therefore the inability to work hinders me staying here. It looks like it's dried up quite a bit, so I'm hoping that I can get out of here without too much trouble, which we'll see. The clay is hardened up down here. Walked on it a little bit. Got my winch in the back of the truck, so there's that. I don't know how much video I'm actually gonna be able to get because I'm gonna have to hold the steering wheel and drive and stuff. So I might put the mount in there and get you at least a little bit of a view of what happens. I'm definitely not gonna stop, go put the camera and place it for you guys to watch me either hit a tree or slide off the side. But we're gonna give it a go right now. I gotta get out of here before it rains later. It's gonna rain at 11 until Monday night. It's Saturday morning, so 3 days of rain. This was just 1 day of rain, so I know I can't get out during that. So I'm not gonna risk it. Gotta get the rock down. Gotta get this rock down. But I'm gonna keep loading up, get everything closed up on the trailer, and get after it. It's muggy. I decided to prep all my stuff for the long journey into mud to get in the truck. That way I don't have to take too many trips back and forth, take boots off to get in the trailer and get it out. So I gotta get Starlink off the top, go put it back, and then I'm gonna start loading. Here we go. I'm a sweaty mess after loading up. It's most of the water's drained out, but we got some soft dirt up here. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'm warming the truck up now. Let's see if we can make it through this drive. A lesson I learned many years ago as a young lad. If you're going through the mud, close your windows. Otherwise you're getting mud in your truck. I'm gonna close my window. I gotta get this thing balanced out because it's foggy already. Oh, wish me luck, wish me luck. We'll get this thing aired out. Then we'll get going. Man, I have really bad flashbacks from when I was working in the wind farms, on the rainy wind farms that were always the storm of the century whenever we came through and built these wind farms. It never failed that I'd get stuck out there in a storm, and we weren't supposed to be driving on the roads during rainstorms because they're either muddy county roads, some of them had rocks, a lot didn't. And sometimes the only way to get through is to cut through a short road that you knew hopefully would get you back to the office in safety. And yeah, I remember fishtailing like crazy down these roads trying to get back and not get into the ditch so that everybody and their mother can make fun of you when you had to abandon your truck because no one's coming to save you during a storm. They'll wait until the next day to go get your truck and pull you out with a dozer or something, or grader or whatever. And yeah, many a times it's like, white knuckle, just going down these roads trying to get back to the office. That's what it feels like. This is about a 30% grade, at least 30% grade. And thank God I just put my new tires on my truck, and we got it in 4 low. And I kind of remember where the hard packed was previously, but I had the dozer come in yesterday, and he did a little bit of work to clean up the road, so there's quite a bit of mush on top of that hard pack. So I'm hoping that it just stays where it's at, lets me get through. Windows are still defrosting, so it's like 62 degrees, a lot of humidity here right now, a whole lot. probably 100%, 130% probably, or it's Tennessee. But I'm gonna sit here and let this unfog so that way you guys can watch me go through as well. we'll put you on the front cam. You'll at least be able to see the sideways slip if I do go that way. All right, final countdown. Here we go, boys and girls. This is it. Let's find out and see if we can make it out of here. It's already slippery. I don't think we're making it. Come on, Chevy. Stay off the right, stay off the right, stay on the left. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. To the top. Not a whole lot of mud slinging. Well, you can see we slid the whole way. As Liv would say, the whole entire way. So we're out. We're not going back down in there until it dries out, because the second time maybe I could get out. I don't know. Not worth it. Let's go. So I'm helping my buddy out go to get the controller for my winch that I can't find, and I stumble upon this. I think you built it too close to the edge on a soft clay. Might have an issue, bro. I don't know what else to tell you. All right, I'm back at the property. Clifton property. I've got to take down the rest of this fence, and yeah, I got to take down the rest of this fence and load up a few things, and I'm gonna be done with this place. It just looks so empty now, so wide open with nothing here. It's kind of a weird sight. But it is what it is at this point, so let me get to working.